Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use multiple Snapchat accounts in Android. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Snapchat application. Once you open Snapchat application, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the top left corner, and then you need to scroll down, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to scroll down, and in the setting you will find the option of logout. Click on that, and then you need to click on okay. So if you want, you can log out. Okay, so I'm going to log out. Once you log out, if you have another account, you simply need to click on switch account. But if you do not have any account, you simply need to click on sign up and create another account in Snapchat to use that. So by following these steps, you can easily use multiple accounts in Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.